Tired of tiny phone screens? Let's supercharge your Brawl Stars experience and dominate the competition on the big screen of your PS5. First, you need to enable Remote Play on your PS5. Head over to Settings, then scroll down to Remote Play. Make sure Remote Play is enabled. If it's not, just toggle it on. Now, on your phone or tablet, download the PS Remote Play app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, launch the app. Open the PS Remote Play app and sign in using your PlayStation Network account, the same one you use on your PS5. The app will search for your PS5. Make sure your PS5 is turned on or in rest mode. If it's not found automatically, you might need to manually enter the IP address of your PS5. You can find this in the Remote Play settings on your console. Once connected, your phone screen will mirror your PS5's interface. Now, minimize the PS Remote Play app on your phone. Next, cast or mirror your phone screen to your TV. You can do this using AirPlay for iPhones or Chromecast for Android devices. Most smart TVs also have built-in screen mirroring capabilities. With your phone screen now on your TV, bring back up the PS Remote Play app on your phone and connect your PS5. And there you have it. You're now playing Brawl Stars through your PS5 using Remote Play, mirrored onto your TV.